skimboarding, surfing and power paragliding. These are only some of the exciting activities that visitors in Mati City may indulge in. The full story from Vicky de Guzman.
It's more fun in the Philippines. This is the famous tagline that promoted the wonders of our country. But these wonders are not only the beautiful places in the Philippines, but also exciting sports we can indulge. In this beautiful beach with huge waves, you will not wonder why many love to do skimboarding and surfing. One of them is the two-time world champion of skimboarding, Sonny Boy T. Aporbo. He said that he has been into this sport for 10 years already.
Kung ako, mahirap talaga daanan ng yung kaagi ko. Tapos, kung gusto kayo sa akin, gagaya, hindi kayo mag-inom, magsigarilyo, at saka talaga sa patakaran ng coach.
Napakalinis, tapos ang ganda-ganda ng alon. Mababait yung Amihan Boys, kaya kami lagi bumabalik.
Tama ko sila kasi gusto naming manood ng competition sa festival nila. Tsaka idol din kasi namin yung si Bayugyog, yung nanalo sa ay champion siya actually sa Hong Kong, and yun.
Sonny Boy, alias Bayugyog, won already in Hong Kong and Malaysia in its 6th international skimboarding competition, and next year compete again in California. Motocross. Definitely, many are already interested to this sport. And in the Raha Pancha Cup in Mati City, almost 10,000 people watched the event.
Well, it's the first big event, no? They have mga pantra, but mga small scale, but this one's really big. With guests from Davao, Panabo, Jensan, and other areas in Davao Oriental, no? They call it East Coast and Gulf towns. They're all here.
The participants reached 60 people who were from the cities of Mati, Davao, Jensan, Panabo, and from other neighboring cities. Have you already experienced to do power paragliding? Why don't you try this kind of sport? A professional instructor on power paragliding, Tony De Los Reyes, said that one should be with good health to try this sport.
Yung ground handling, where you learn to kite the wing, it's actually semi-strenuous to strenuous exercise yun. So you need to be physically fit.
Pero I encourage everybody and those people who want do this thing.
Actually, ang Mati, kung tingnan nyo sa aerial view, ang ganda eh. Ang dami-dami ng ang dami-daming mangrove, lalo na dito na side. Yun, puro lahat yun mangrove. Tsaka dito yung mga bahayan. Maganda ang aerial view ng Mati.
These sports do not only give you entertainment, but this also strengthen your health. For People's Television, Vicky de Guzman.